Good morning, students. In our science, especially in the bio portion, biology, we study the various plants, animals, right? When we study the various plants and animals, we study two kind of the sections, cutting sections. These sections are of two types. You have studied in class, you will study in books also. One is the longitudinal section. Longitudinal section. And second one is the transverse section. Longitudinal section and transverse section. What are these? Suppose this is the cucumber. Cucumber le lo, loki le lo, whatever you want. This is the cucumber. I can cut it into two ways. Number one, like this. लॉन्ग स्लाइस यहां से कट किया, ऐसा लॉन्ग पीसेस, लॉन्ग स्लाइस, बीच में से कट करेंगे, लॉन्ग स्लाइस. दीज लॉन्ग स्लाइस थ्रू द वर्टिकल एक्सिस, दीज लॉन्ग स्लाइस known as longitudinal section. These are longitudinal section. This one transverse section. If I want to eat cucumber, then we cut like this, small pieces. Small pieces, and these are long pieces. In small pieces, you can see. If you cut a lemon, you can see like this, and seeds are present over here. But in this cucumber, in this also, you can see arrangement of the seeds. But in this, so these are the sections. Various kind of the sections: longitudinal section, vertical, transverse section. Look your body itself. Small pieces, transverse section. Is there any similarity? No. But longitudinal section, from the mid longitudinal axis, you will find it if you cut, observe in this way, you will find it the half part of body is this, half part of the body this. Our body entirely can be cut into two equal halves. One eye either, one eye here. Nose, all the pieces are identical. These two longitudinal axes. Got it? That's why we observe these two kind of the sections in our biology portion. Now compare the plant cells and animal cells. You know, in case of the plant cells, there is an additional covering around the plant cell, around the cell membrane, and this additional covering is known as cell wall, and cell wall provide resistance against the environmental changes, environmental conditions, harsh environmental conditions. In animal cell, cell wall is absent. Cell wall is absent, cell wall is present. Next one, you know, green plants can perform photosynthesis due to presence of the chloroplast. Chloroplast is associated with the photosynthesis, Animals unable to perform photosynthesis prepare its food, so chloroplast is absent. Vacuoles, in case of the plants, central large vacuole, large size vacuole, 1 or 2 in number, large sized vacuoles. Large sized. In case of the animals, a vacuoles may be larger in number, both सारी होती है, but smaller in size. Small sized. Vacuoles are small sized. Now centrosome. Centrosome is only present in the animal cells. Unique feature of animal cells. Got it? Once again, cell wall plants, animal cell wall absent. Chloroplast present only in plants, absent in animals. Vacuoles large, 1 or 2 in number, few in number. But in case of animals, vacuoles are larger in number but smaller in size. Centrosome present, centrosome absent. So centrosome present, centrosome in case of plants absent. And one another feature, nucleus. Nucleus in case of the plant cells, it is not present in center. It is not present in center. कहीं पर भी होगा, सेंटर में नहीं होगा, तो कहते हैं इसको eccentric. The nucleus is eccentric, but in case of the animal cell, nucleus is central in position. In case of the animal cells, nucleus is central in position. Now students, look, differences between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. What do you mean by prokaryotic cell? Look, suppose this is a cell and this is the cell membrane. This is the cell membrane, plasma membrane, cell membrane, whatever it is. And now look over here. There is a nucleic material. Nucleic material. Nucleus, nuclear material. And this nuclear material like this. But there is no covering around the nucleus. Nuclear material is present, but what is absent? Nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is absent. Yes. In the absence of nuclear membrane, this nucleus is called as primitive nucleus. Such kind of nucleus known as primitive nucleus. Right? Not well defined nucleus. क्या कहेंगे? Not well defined nucleus. A kind of cell which do not have well defined nucleus known as prokaryotic cell. Nuclear material is present, but there is which absent? Well defined nucleus. Nuclear membrane is absent. Here there may be an additional covering, and this additional covering is known as cell wall. And there is a sticky material around the cell wall. This is known as capsule. This is known as capsule. Yes, for what I am discussing about the prokaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Example, bacteria. Second, mycoplasma, PPLO पढ़ा था हमने? Yes. PPLO, mycoplasma. So, bacteria, PPLO, and one another which are also known as cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, you have learned in chapter 2, blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. These blue-green algae are also prokaryotic cell. So prokaryotic cell example, bacteria, mycoplasma, blue-green algae. Got it? These cells do not have well-defined nucleus. Nuclear material is present, and this nuclear material which is not surrounded by the nuclear membrane is known as not nucleus, nucleoid. This nuclear material is known as nucleoid, primitive kind of nucleus. For example, bacteria, blue-green algae and PPLO. Got it? In this prokaryotic cell, which cell organelle are absent? क्या क्या नहीं होता? तो हम कहेंगे we will say all membrane bound cell organelles are absent. In this membrane bound cell organelles are absent. What are? Mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum. These are absent in prokaryotic cell. And which kind of ribosomes are there? Padha hum ribosome? 70S type of ribosomes are present in prokaryotic cells. Got it? Now look, eukaryotic cell, where a cell which contains well-defined nucleus, a cell which contains well-defined nucleus known as eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, double membrane bound nucleus is present, number one, and double membrane bound cell organelles are present. Membrane bound cell organelles are present. Mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, all are present in the eukaryotic cells. Eu means well-defined, karyote means nucleus. Well-defined nucleus is present. All kind of the plants, animals, fungus, algae are eukaryotic. Blue-green algae, prokaryotic. Except blue-green algae, all kind of the algae are the eukaryotic.